Sitting in the eastern Mediterranean is the beautiful island of Cyprus, between Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. The island has always been a stepping stone for historical sites.
In what is known as the first missionary journey, Paul the Apostle and the Cypriot-born Barnabas landed here in Salamis. After coming from the Antioch of Syria, it is here that the two proclaimed the Christ in the Jewish synagogue before proceeding to the rest of the island. Acts 13:1-5, Barnabas was stoned to death right here at Salamis. We're here at Salamis. We've already taken our ticket, and every ticket is 20 TL, 20 Turkish lira. Behind me is the Salamis, the ancient Greek city-state on the east coast of the Cyprus, 6 kilometers from the modern Famagusta. According to the tradition, the founder of the Salamis was Tuja, the son of Telamon, who could not return home after he failed to avenge his brother Ajax. This beautiful Salamis, the ancient Greek that you see behind me, was the capital city of Cyprus by then. However, with the entire island, it was occupied by various people at that time: the Venetians, Assyrians, Romans, Egyptians, and the Persians. One of the best archaeological sites of the Romans ruins are the headless statues that you see behind me, the swimming pool beside me that were used for their own recreation purposes with their leaders. If you're a person who loves to travel, you definitely bear me a witness that places like Turkey, Cyprus, precisely Salamis city, are historical sites. And this is what makes them who they are. here where I'm squatting at, these are the beautiful mosaic tiles that are so incredible and are all over the rooms of this ancient creek at the Salamis city. It is right here during the Augustus time, 31 BC to 14 AD, that they used this beautiful place behind me for their own training and exercising yard.